Welcome back to my channel Boozy Logic everyone. This video is a complete tutorial on thumbnail. Is divided into three parts. In first part we will understand the account verification. In part 2 we will understand thumbnail design, and part 3 includes thumbnail uploading on a YouTube video. Let's get started. For that you have to go to the Google Chrome, and there you have to type down www.youtube.com. Now you can see the logo of your account on the top right corner. Click on that. A drop down menu will appear. Select Creator Studio from that. It will direct you to the new screen that is known as Channels Dashboard. On left side of the Channels Dashboard, a setting icon is visible. Click on that. It will direct you to this screen. Click on Channel and then select Feature Eligibility. Scroll down and click on the down arrow for the option Feature that require phone verification. Scroll down further and click on Verify phone number. It will further direct you to the new screen as shown here. As I am living in India, I am selecting my country as India. You have to select your country. After that, you have to click on Text me the verification code, which is given here as a second option. So click on that. Further scroll down, enter your mobile number, and then submit. YouTube will send you the verification code. You have to enter that verification code here. As I have entered, then you have to submit that. So now your account is verified. I have received the message that congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Likewise, you can verify your YouTube account if you want to upload videos on the particular account, and account verification is very much necessary if you want to add a customized thumbnail to the uploaded videos. Today I will show you how to design a thumbnail for your YouTube video. For that you have to download the Pixel Lab app from Google Play Store. This is the first screen of the Pixel Lab app. Now first of all you have to select the background. Let us select a background from this background menu. Now let us select the white background. So this is the white background. After that we have to select the size as per the requirement of the YouTube website. To do so, you have to click on the three dots which are visible on the top right corner here. So on clicking, this menu will appear. Click on image size, click on custom, click on YouTube thumbnail, and then click on OK. So this is the size of your thumbnail as per the requirement of the YouTube website. After that, if you want to add any text or any image in this thumbnail, you have to click on the plus icon. So here this drop down menu will appear. So to add any image from the gallery, you have to click on From Gallery. Now let us select this image. Click tick. So this image has been added into your thumbnail. You can adjust the position of this image by scrolling it like this. After that, if you want to add any text, you have to click on plus icon again, click on text. So this text box will appear. Now to edit the text of this text box, you have to click on the pencil icon which is on the top left corner, and again click on the pencil. It will direct you to this screen. Now we can edit the text here. Write down, suppose, how to design YouTube thumbnail, right? So this is the text which I want to add. Click on done and then click on OK. So this is my text. Now you can increase the size. After that, Pixel Lab app also facilitates us to change the font, to change the color, to change the background, and to change the alignment of your text. And to do so, you have to click on the icon A, which is on the bottom right corner here. On clicking, this menu is appearing. Now let us change the color by clicking here on color. So suppose I want to select the red color. This is the color. Click on tick. Then change the background. Enable it. I want to select the black color. Click on tick. Change the font. Select the font which are very catchy so that people can easily take it. Take some bold font. Okay, so this is my font which I like usually. After that, here you can see the text is aligned towards the left, so I want to make it in the center. So for that, click on align, justify, and then adjust, then click on tick, right? So this is how you can add the image or you can add the text for your YouTube thumbnail. After this, now your thumbnail is almost ready. So you want to save this, right? So for that, you have to click on this save icon. So there are two options available. First is save as project and another is save as image. You have to click on save as image, and then you have to click on save to gallery, because on clicking that save to gallery, the same thumbnail will be saved in your gallery or in your album in a separate folder with a name Pixel Lab. So from where you can directly upload the thumbnail on your YouTube video. How to set or upload thumbnail to your YouTube video. For that, you have to download YT Studio app. So on this screen, this YT Studio app is visible. Let us click on that. On clicking, it will give you the screen of your dashboard of your channel. So here you can see various videos of your channel. Out of that, suppose you are going to upload the thumbnail for your first video, then you have to click on your first video, the video for which you want to add the thumbnail. So on clicking that video, this screen will be visible. You have to click on the pencil icon which is visible here. So let us click on that. It will direct you to this new screen. Here again the pencil icon is visible on the left side. Let us click on that. So it will direct you to this new screen where you can select the thumbnail either from the screenshots of the video, or you can add the customized thumbnail also. So let us click on this custom thumbnail. So it will direct you to the gallery of your own phone. So suppose if you have designed the thumbnail for your video already, then you have to select that video. I have designed this thumbnail for this video, so I have selected that. Then click on select and then save. So now you can see that the thumbnail has been added to my video. Let us go back. Here you can see the thumbnail has already been added. So it will be very much easy for the viewer to understand that what type of the content is there in the particular video, because a small narration regarding the video has already been given in the thumbnail itself. So thumbnail is very much important to increase the views of your video, and simultaneously it facilitates the viewer to understand the type of content the video is having. So thumbnail is very much important tool to facilitate both viewer as well as the publisher. So this is everything about today's video.